welcome back. It's been exactly 2 weeks since I purchased all this Milwaukee stuff. 2 weeks since I was so excited to use it, and in typical ADHD fashion, it sat in my garage for 2 weeks. So today's the day. I'm gonna set the tripod up. We're gonna go through each and every one of them, see how it does, and we'll give some final thoughts at the end. So I got the head, I got an 8 amp hour Forge battery, the whacker, trimmer, edger, hole saw, blower, extension. Also got some Bell Ray bar chain oil for the hole saw. And so let me set you guys up. I'll do it a little bit faster so you don't have to see me sitting there fumbling. I'll do it a little bit quick so you can see it more on a time lapse. And then when we're all done, we'll come back and we'll see what we think. Not bad. So far, so good. Now we're gonna change the angle. Go back up. So that's that. Like I said, I'm no professional. You want professional, watch somebody else. How much you call an idiot? But I think with a little bit of a little practice, I think it'll work just fine. So here we are with the pole saw. Would have been here a little sooner, but I had to stop because the brains behind the operation is over there mowing while I'm trying to record. Almost ran over a black snake, and as you can assume, she freaked. So I had to go over there and save the day. It was just a baby. It was like 10 inches long. So I scurried him over into the bush right there, and he's happy. She's not. So let's try the pole saw out. I don't think I'm going to need the extension. But I got 2 branches here with the old little gypsy moth caterpillars on there. And it's one of the reasons why I wanted this, because I wanted to take out some of them limbs. Let's see how it works. As suspected, it works exactly like pole saw should. No surprise. So here we are with the edger. Again, you'll probably assume it works exactly like an edger works. And I get delayed again because the boss is mowing the lawn, and then she was attacked by a lizard. It was one of them little 3-inch jobs with the blue tails. Completely harmless. She made a scene though, as you can suspect. Last week she was attacked by frogs. Today it's a snake and a lizard. But she's not even halfway done yet. So let's see how this works. That's not bad. Let me show you. And as you can see, it works just like an edger. I got a lot more to do. Now we're going to do a little weed whacking. As you suspect, it works exactly like a weed whacker. All right, last but not least, the blower, which should act exactly like, you guessed it, the blower should act. Let's see. Let's take a look. So as you can see, edged, whacked, and most importantly, street is clean. Not only does that make your front landscaping look better, but also, please, think of people on motorcycles. You mow your lawn, you're blowing grass all over the place, makes it slippery. Watch out for your motorcycles and your motorcycle riders. But otherwise, I think that's not a bad job. But I got a little bit ways to go that way. And I got a little bit of ways to go that way. There's CJ. Hi, CJ.
That's a really cool looking tool.
There's the boss.
I was attacked by a frog.
See this? This is how you ruin a video.
That is a really cool looking tool.
So, yeah. So the job's about to begin. And, rock on. So you've got attacked by now a snake, a lizard, and 2 frogs.
Yes.
Tell us how you feel.
I'm not okay
Why not?
because I
What's
don't
wrong?
like reptiles at all.
What are they gonna do?
They're gonna kill me. They're gonna give me a heart attack. They just jump right out in front of you and slither and stuff. I don't like it.
How do you like the blades since I changed them on the motor?
Oh, the blades are good.
Yeah.
Yes.
How do you like this guy?
I like you a lot.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no, the lawnmower is working really good since you did all that stuff. I don't know exactly what you did, but it works well. So thank you.
Fantastic. I'm also using the weed whacker around the property here, and it's amazing. I have 2 gas-powered Husqvarna and a Honda, and this thing absolutely puts them to shame. Absolutely. Granted, I do like the power of the gas motor, and it lasts longer per tank, but it's just so easy to control and maneuver. I give a thumbs up twice. Rock on.